ChatGPT is a new cool kid in town and everyone is talking about this. For those who have been living under a rock for the past few months and haven't heard about this, ChatGPT is short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's simply a computer program that is good at understanding and responding to human language. And this is one of the most significant technological advancements that artificial intelligence has made until now. You don't believe me? I will show you. I asked ChatGPT to write a simple computer program to find the sum of two numbers. Done. Piece of cake. Now everyone can code. But that's not all. I asked ChatGPT to rewrite the code in the tone of Shakespeare. O fair numbers, let us join thy sum in mathematical concordance. 5 and 7. This is unbelievable. Other than bringing back Shakespeare to life and all the fun things that we can do, it has far-reaching possibilities. And what does this mean for each of us? We can make use of this wonderful technology to create value for others and make some money in return. And this technology is in its starting phase. And now is the time to get in. It's like building an online retail store in 1993. Just 1 year before Jeff Bezos had the same idea. You'd be living in a 200 million home and flying around in your own private jet now. This could be as big as the internet, and you may be the first one to have an idea to create the next Amazon based on this. And this video may be the inspiration that you badly need. So let's get started. As I told you earlier, ChatGPT is simply a computer program that is good at responding to your questions just like a human would. But then so is Google, right? Or those voice assistants in your phone, Siri and Alexa. Let's do a fun experiment. Hey Siri. Do you think ChatGPT is a threat to you? Siri? Do you think ChatGPT is a threat to you?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
No, thank you. But ChatGPT is different. It's a more advanced version of Siri and Alexa, and more than a personal assistant, it's kind of a personal teacher or a tutor. It's designed for back and forth conversation just like you would have with a real person. But that's not all. It can also remember past conversations and use that information to adapt its responses. For example, if you were to ask Siri about the importance of AI in the future, it would point you to a few websites or articles that mention it. But if you were to ask ChatGPT, it could provide a well-written essay with an introduction, subject, and conclusion. This is powerful stuff. And that brings us to the first way to make money with it. For all the content creators out there, this is great news. You can use ChatGPT to streamline and fasten your content creation process. The tool can create high-quality articles for your blog post or even scripts for your YouTube videos. For example, we can ask ChatGPT to write a blog article about 10 ways to invest our money. And now it gives me a list of ideas to work on. I can either ask it to expand the points or use this as a reference and develop further. You may have to make some small tweaks to make it sound more like you. But then more content means more traffic, more ad revenue, and more affiliate income. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to create a product that makes use of its features. ChatGPT is ideally a chatbot, so small and big businesses can use ChatGPT to assist customers with their questions and issues. If you can create an app to do this, something that can reduce the workload on human customer care representatives and improve the overall customer experience, then it's easy money in your pocket. For example, a customer visits a hospital website and initiates a chat with the chatbot. The chatbot, powered by ChatGPT, will understand the customer's question or request and will give a response like an actual human. It can provide helpful information about the treatments or guide the patients to the appropriate doctors. This is just one use case, and if you give it a thought, you can easily find others. If you check on freelancing websites such as Fiverr and Upwork, something that is in high demand is the task of a copywriter. The job of a copywriter is to create engaging content for marketing and sales and to get people to take action. We all know that classic line from Ernest Hemingway: "For sale, baby shoes, never worn." It's possibly the greatest copy of all time because it sums up an entire story that speaks with the viewer's emotions in just 6 words. But writing good copy is not so easy. You need to have good writing skills, you need to think creative, know how to market, and you need many other skills. Until now. With ChatGPT, everyone can write perfect copies. I will show you. Let's ask ChatGPT to write me an engaging tagline for the landing page of a restaurant website, where every bite is a taste of heaven. This is really good, and if you're not happy with this, you can just ask ChatGPT to write 10 more. Now we have a list of good taglines, and if you want to bring back Shakespeare, here you go. Our meats are cooked to perfection and sauces do flow. Our kitchen is the stage and every dish a show. I don't know how it does this, but this is really good. You can also create well-written email marketing campaigns within a few seconds. All of this used to take a lot of time and effort earlier, but now AI is doing all the hard work for you. You can also register yourself as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant or VA is someone who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. ChatGPT can help virtual assistants do their job more efficiently by doing repetitive tasks, helping with research, and creating content. Now, I just showed you how easy it is with ChatGPT to write excellent copy and assist businesses. But if you are someone who wants to start their own small business, like a restaurant, normally you would have to hire an agency to do the marketing for you, and this will cost a lot of money. But now, all this can be done by yourself. You can do competitor research, make new recipes, settle accounts, and much more with the help of ChatGPT, thereby reducing your effort and cost. So if you have a business plan in mind, this is the right time to start working on it. As I said earlier, this is an emerging technology and we are still very much in the starting phase. Now, there will be a lot of businesses that would not be so familiar with the concept of AI. Think of all the dentists or the lawyers. They may think the technology is too complicated and will stay away from it. If you are ready to put your effort to learning more about it, then you can offer your knowledge and expertise to individuals or businesses who wants to incorporate this technology into the products and services. And you can get paid good money for that. Artificial intelligence or AI will play an important role in our future, whether we like it or not. For some, that means losing their jobs, and for others, it means more opportunities. The possibilities are just endless. The key is to be creative and think outside the box to find new and innovative ways to use this technology. Now, I have made a beginner guide to ChatGPT with a list of possible use cases to make money. I will send it for free to everyone who subscribes and comment on this video. So don't wait until the news reaches your grandma. Go and start working on your Amazon before anyone takes a shot at it. Until I see you with another video, have a wonderful rest of the day and bye.